What's up, YouTube? Alright, so, since I didn't really find any good videos on how to set up records, and everything that I found was really, it could be a little old, so I figured I would do a setup on broadcast software to record. The setup for streaming is really easy, but recording, I found a post on their forum on the settings to be used for best video recorders. So I figured I'd go through the settings setup and show you how to do all that. So you click on settings, obviously, general. You're going to want to select a new profile and start a profile for recording, but I've already done that, so I'm recording, so I can't click on any of this. Encoding wise, you're going to want to uncheck the CVR, make sure you have ×264. You're going to want to make that 10, and you're going to make your max bit rate 1000, and you're going to want to use a custom buffer of 0 because you're not buffering, and then apply. Broadcast settings, obviously you're going to want to do file output only, and then select wherever you want it to go. I have mine in broadcast. I actually need to change it to game videos and start typing in the different videos that I'm going to be using. And then video, yeah, sure, we'll apply settings. Video, you can do automatically downscale, and bilinear is the fastest. I haven't actually messed with any of this other than the fact that I know that the more samples you have, the bigger your file gets faster. So I just leave it on bilinear and haven't really had an issue out of it. And then this is a big one though, because you're going to want to check. You're going to want to make sure that you have using CFR on, and you're going to want to check custom 264 encoder settings. And from what I read, between 15 and 20 is what you want to use. And the lower the numbers, the better the detail and the better the settings run. Don't change any of this. Leave everything else the same for the most part. And then when you've got all this done, you click OK and you're ready to go. And obviously I'm already running this, so you can see my profile and open broadcast software inside of itself infinity times. Another thing that I learned the hard way was I was using monitor capture, which is what I'm actually using right now, instead of game capture when I was running a game, and it was very jittery and I couldn't figure out what in the world was wrong with it, and it was frustrating me. And then I was actually doing laundry, and I've come to realize and thought, oh well, maybe if I use game capture it won't be so bad, and I was right. Using game capture or window capture is better than using monitor capture. It's not as demanding and so forth. And you can also, edit your scenes. You can put text up there, and I can move it around, put it back, so on and so forth. You can also put your video capture device on there. Look, there's my ugly mug, and move it around and upscale it, and then downscale it, and you can change all these properties in here to what you want it to do. Let's see, what's the game capture? Oh yeah, game capture, explores videos, blah blah blah. But yeah, so if this helped you out or anything, I'm actually thinking about starting a playlist on how-to stuffs to help people out, maybe show how to do some video editing and so on and so forth. Alright, naturally aspirate.